What's up, good people? I am going to share my secret with y'all today. This is going to be a real quick video, just informational, scientifically proven, and I'll prove it myself. You want to know how to keep your engine running strong, long, damn near forever? I have a little trick. A lot of people don't know this. A lot do, contrary to popular belief. What I'm about to show you is transmission fluid. Put transmission fluid in your oil. Use it as an additive, per se. Transmission fluid has a lot of detergents in it, man. A lot of people say oil has more detergents, but that's a false statement. The reason I figured this out, well, of course my pop showed me, but through trial and changing my own transmission fluid, such as, or not even just changing the transmission fluid, but doing any type of transmission work that is brand new, that requires your hands to get transmission fluid on them. Like one time on my Infinity G35, I had to change out the valve body, and I noticed that my hands were super clean after doing so. But if you change your oil, and oil get on your hands, it's dirty. It takes forever to get out, but not transmission fluid. And this truck almost got 300,000 miles on it. And I've been doing this since I had it. And y'all know about these GMs, the 8s, either the LS, the 4.8, the 5.3, or the 6.0. They all have that notorious lifter tap. No, not this one. It's transmission fluid. Get it all done. Simple as that. Just drive around normally. Of course, I just changed my oil also. And I change my oil I give it 10,000 miles, man, because of the transmission fluid. A lot of people don't know that. Well, shedding light today. Try it out. Just in case you don't believe me, that is 259,281 miles on this truck, and it still run like it's brand new. Of course, I changed my transmission fluid because I haul around cars all day. Buying them, picking them up, dropping them off, selling them. I do it all, but 70 miles on it, running like it's brand new.